concept of nanoscience was introduced by the premier scientist Richard Feynman. In the University of Kalupudi Institute of Technology, while in American Physical Society meeting. He simply started his speech like there is plenty of people in the world. If the age of the people is growing continuously, yes or no, 10 years, 20 years, 30 will become a age. Yes or no? Why the people are becoming age? Why the people are becoming age? The count of red blood cells are decreasing. 1 gram of gold is determined very easily, but 10 to the power of minus 24. Imagine once. 10 to the power of minus 24 kg means very minute. Even such a weight is determined with the help of sensors fabricated with the ground or two-dimensional nano
materials.
Are you understood or not?
Dimensional.
So, at a particular time, very lowish concentration of there. More or less, 2 days back, on paper they suggested that minus 10 degrees. On the surface of the moon, the temperature is approximately minus 10 degrees. If the device are not able to work at the lower temperature, no need to use of temperature. By keeping that point, all kinds of the more number of applications in all sectors. Recently, the scientists were discovered new kind of batteries. The present scenario we are using what kind of batteries? Lithium-ion batteries. Yes or no? In mobile phones, what kind of batteries are used? Lithium-ion. Recently, scientists were discovered based on sodium ions. Installed sodium ion based batteries. As compared to sodium ions and lithium ions, graphene based batteries also the constructed. They have more efficiency. They have more and more.